secret that finding great people to hire is a time-consuming problem for every business owner. But in the hospitality industry, it's extra painful as there's a national skills shortage, and extra repetitive as 60% of workers will leave their job within 12 months. So what can you do? Do you pay a recruitment agency thousands of dollars to find someone who's probably going to leave after 12 months? Or do you pay a temp agency an extra 30 to 50% on top of wages for every single person you need, for every single hour? Now, I used to run one of the largest national temp agencies in the country, and it pained me to see that even though we were solving this problem, it was an unsustainable solution for the vast majority of the market. That's how I came up with the idea for Staffah. Charge companies a fixed monthly subscription to access a pool of high-quality vetted candidates whenever they needed them. To do this at scale, we needed a tech solution, so I brought on board Serge to direct the build. He's held a number of platform development roles and co-founded a company called BugCrowd, which went through the StartMate accelerator program, raising $15 million in Series B funding in Silicon Valley. Now, over the course of 5 months, we interviewed, reference-checked, and skill-tested people on actual jobs, and ended up with over 800 fully vetted, high-quality staff for our clients to access. However, we quickly realised we also needed to vet our clients, as a significant portion of the industry haven't been paying their staff properly. This made our model subject to abuse, because misbehaving companies could always get somebody new with Staffah. Once our platform launches, we're going to tackle this problem with a publicly visible two-way rating system and credit card holds. But things got smoother as time went on, and we picked up some high-end event clients like Mercedes-Benz, Sydney School of Entrepreneurship, Louis Vuitton, Giorgio Armani. These clients required first-class service, and the results speak for themselves. Firstly, every single one of them rebooked with us at least once. Our Net Promoter Score is 88, but not only did they say they would be very likely to recommend us to someone, 75% actually did refer us to another paying customer. This allowed us to grow on average of 30% every single month. All of this with a members-only website and $0 marketing spend. In fact, we actually had to turn people away, putting them on a wait list, because with manual process, we couldn't properly cater to everyone. I had to make that decision to cap our profit so that we can purely focus on providing maximum value and customer service to our existing pool of staff and clients who are growing our business organically through referrals. However, that's all about to change. Our app will launch in December, which will fully automate our processes and ignite our growth. Our revenue could easily triple overnight as our waitlist can finally be serviced and we can begin setting up strategic partnerships and marketing to the public. Thank you very much for listening, and we would be very grateful for any introductions to office managers, event agencies, and industry partners. Thank you.